Today, ladies and gentlemen, Uncle Randeau's ground meat goo. Oh, my gosh, what in the world is Uncle Randeau's ground meat goo? Well, okay, I can tell you back when I was a young man, single, all by myself, I'd come in to get something to eat after working all day. I wanted to go fast. I don't like to eat fast food. I make my own Cajun food, but I didn't want to wait long. I was hungry. I worked hard all day. So I took whatever I had in my ice box and I put it in the pot. All right, so today I just took what I had. I didn't go shopping special for this at all. Okay, I got pound of ground meat. Okay. I got the zognon, the onion, scallions. You know I have to have the garlic, bell pepper. Okay, this is bok choy. Okay, I didn't always have that, but right now I got some. Very good. The carrots, the carrots, the potatoes. This, up to you. All right, this is jalapeno. You know, lately the jalapenos, they've not been too hot, but I can't guarantee you whether you're going to have a hot one or not. You got to be very careful about that. Have a little Worcestershire sauce, some salt, fresh ground pepper from Uncle Randeaux, fresh ground cayenne from Uncle Randeaux, a little chipotle, which I made myself too, all right? That's about it. Anything else you want, you can do it. You just throw it in the pot and you cook it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to be right back. Enjoy. I'll see you in a moment. Alright, I cut up all the vegetables. Very easy to do. I got it already. I have this oil here in case I need some more. I put a little bit on the pot to keep it from burning. This is a very lean ground meat, so sometimes you got to add a little extra. Right, so I got the fire going. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Worcestershire sauce on it. That's a tablespoon heavy, or a heaping tablespoon. What the heck is that? You kind of hold the spoon and you pour a little extra. All right? Don't put too much, this is salty. Right? I put a little salt. That's a 1/4 teaspoon, and I didn't even quite put it all yet. Okay? I got that going in here. This is my scallions and the onion that you saw. I chopped it all up. Okay? I want it all in there. Okay? It's starting to cook. You can hear the sizzle. Bell pepper. Okay? All there. Okay? Alright. Garlic. Now, people tell me, well, some people when I move up to the northern area, they say you can't put you gotta cook the garlic last. As Cajuns, we can't burn our garlic. It's in our DNA. It don't burn. All right, I'll put it right in there, like that. Okay, now, what I want to do, it doesn't matter, any order you can do this. That's a little bit of jalapeno. I'm doing this because I know these have not been hot. Again, careful. You like real hot? I use the serrano. That's a delicious flavor. But it can be hot. This is my chipotle. See how I'm doing this? You see what I'm doing here? I'm taking a fork. I have a little bit on there. And I take 2 forks like that. It's not too much. It'll give the flavor. This can be hot. Be careful. Now, again, you buy it. It's kind of up in the air about that. I want to put my potatoes and my carrots all in right now. Like I said, there's no amount. You saw I had 3 carrots. I had a bunch of little bitty potatoes. But I'm going to put it in. Now I have a little extra oil if I need. I'll also keep a little glass of water. Alright, I will start to do this. See what I'm doing? Okay. I'm going to cut up the ground meat. I don't want it to be one big patty. Alright, this is going to all mix in here together. Okay. Alright. And then I just got to let it cook. Notice, I did not put the bok choy yet. Okay. Put a little bit of black pepper. This is coarsely ground because I do it for cooking. It won't come out of my salt and pepper shaker too much, but it is really good that way. Alright, a little bit of yippee cayenne powder. Okay. And this, all right, the bok choy, I'm gonna wait till last. Okay, I'm not gonna put that right now. I don't want it to get too soggy, okay? But it takes a while. Now notice the potatoes, how big I cut them. Yeah, a quarter, 3/8 of an inch. I did not take a measure. Same thing, maybe a half inch on the carrots, right? Everything is just chopped up fine. And then you just let this cook, all right? Takes a while, okay? You can put a lid, you cannot, you put a lid, it goes a little faster. So we're all set for right now. I'm gonna put the lid, it's cooking. It's set on a medium to medium high fire. Just don't, you gotta keep an eyeball. You gotta keep an eyeball. I'm gonna show you a check in just a minute. Let's keep on going. 10 minutes later, let's take a peek. Now I've been stirring along. I know what it looks like, okay? Let's see here. Stir it up, your patatas, they're not done, the carrots. It's all just cooking nice and slowly, not too hot. About a medium to medium high. Don't cook it too fast. You can see this meat made enough juice. I don't need to add water. I don't need to add juice, at least not yet. So we're gonna let it cook. Come back in about 10 minutes and check it so you can see the progress as we go. Well, it's been another 10 minutes or so. Take a peek, let's look in here. All right. Oh, it's cooking nicely, you can see. All right. The potatoes, they're still pretty hard, they're not done. You can see a lot of juice, a lot of water. The meat's making it, the potatoes making it. I don't need to add any juice at all, but I need to stir it every now and then. You don't want it to burn, okay? We still got some time left to go. All right, so, and I keep it on not too hot a fire. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to burn all the spices and stuff I put in there. All right, we're about 4 minutes later. Let's take a look. I'm going to take the lid. While you do it, make sure you let all that juice drain off. My knife is going right through the potatoes. Very good. It's pretty much all that. It's not quite 100%, but it's pretty good. Stir it a little bit. Okay. Okay. I don't need to add anything because I like it to get a little brown, you know. All right, now I'm going to add the bok choy. You can see I cut it up like that. Bok choy is a Chinese vegetable. Very good. All right. Like I said, this is the goo. You put whatever you got. It don't matter. You can do this. You can do cabbage. You can do celery. Whatever you have, you put it in. All right. So we're going to cook about 5 minutes. It's going to be all done. See you then. About 5 minutes more. Let's take a little peek. Now look in there. Perfect, chef. Perfect. You can see it's all done. Everything is done just right. Everything is cooked. All right, so I'm going to turn off the fire. Let's put it on a plate and let's give this a try. We're all done. Here you go. Now sometimes I like to put this on a bed of rice. But sometimes just like this. Today I'm going to show you this. We have it here. Okay. All nice on the plate. Okay. We got the carrots. All the flavor, all the juices, they all mix together. Little round meat. You want to do the vegetarian, if you want to put some tofu and stuff, you can do that. Cook faster. Sorry. The bok choy is good, yeah. The potato, cut a little piece. All the juices is all together perfect. So you want a nice easy meal, take about 30 minutes to do. Uncle Randeaux, ground meat goo. And, mes amis, what do we say? Allons manger, la de la bon temps roulé et bonne chance, mes amis!